This is my entire bikini collection. Begin it off with one of my favorite brands, which is kind of funny because I'm not actually sure how to pronounce this. Kolia or Kolia. But anyway, this is an Australian brand though, so I feel like that's why I love it so much. This is my favorite bikini in my entire collection because you can actually swim in it. There's a difference between a cute bikini and then one that you can actually swim in, and this one's kind of both. So these are the bottoms, not too cheeky but not too like covered, and then this top. Not only does she hold them in, but she also is just really cute and flattering, and the colors and the pattern is the cutest thing I've seen. I also equally love this one. However, I did order it in a size bigger than I would normally get it because I thought it was gonna be really cheeky, but turns out they actually don't rip you off with the fabric. Last time I went to the beach, this literally fell off and I flashed everyone. That was fun. I actually despise triangle bikinis because they never provide enough fabric, but the Mocean sisters reached out and told me they were doing a collab with Naked, so they sent me this and I was skeptical, but the print was cute and it's actually enough to cover them up. I haven't tried on the bottoms yet, but they have a lot of coverage, which is also my favorite thing because this is the reason why I size up. The bottoms are always like, I'm not trying to go to the beach with all like the families and have my whole butt cheeks out. This one I just have to show you straight away because it's brand new and I really want to try it on. It is so pretty. It's by this brand called SNRKLBR, which is a Byron Bay brand. I feel like everything that comes out of Byron Bay is literally the cutest thing ever. It ties up at the back, which is always the most flattering design. I love it when they make the tops like shaped like a bra because then they actually hold you in and they look really flattering. And let's be honest, we don't want an unflattering bikini at the beach. On their website, the top style is called the baby sit-up. Speaking of unflattering bikinis, we have this one, which is almost the same as the one that I just showed you, but there is something about this top that makes my boobs look so weird and a little bit saggy. But the design is really, really cute. I think if it was anyone else, I would love this, but for me, I don't know why. The bottoms are really cute though, like super high rise. I have come a long way since the last bikini collection video. I couldn't wear anything that wasn't high rise. It made me super uncomfortable. But a girl used to bag me out from a mole that I have on my stomach, which is the craziest thing that I've ever heard. So I literally only wore high-waisted stuff because of that girl. And that was when I was like 13. I don't have many one-piece swimsuits in my collection, but I want to get more because when I go surfing, I get a rash on my stomach. Not that I go surfing, I more like attempt to surf. This one doesn't really help because it's got a massive cutout hole, so the rash still happens. But this is really cute. I've had this for a while. She's a little beat up and kind of ripped at the back, but it's from Beggining Boutique. I love her. I can't get rid of her, and I always wear it as like a bodysuit with a skirt. Oof, I need more cute one pieces. Next up is Revolve swimsuits. This is my bougie era because I feel so good in the Revolve ones. They're like so flattering. Hated how I'm about to contradict myself. I'm like, I don't really have any one-piece swimsuits. One-piece swimsuit. This one's from Revolve, but it's by the brand Tularosa. I wear this as a bodysuit. This makes it look like it's the most scandalous swimsuit ever, but it's really not. It's super cute. Also by that same brand is this one. I don't actually think that this is like a swim at the beach swimsuit. It's laid there. It's not even swimsuit material. This is the top, and then we have this really high cut bottom. Not actually sure what the purpose of this is. It did say that it wasn't meant to be swam in, but it's like a swimsuit shape, so like, I don't know. I just don't have the confidence to have that little amount of fabric covering my boobs. I'm not even sure. I might have my hair covering my boobs in the try-on. This is so pretty, especially at the back. It's got a really pretty scoop back. I love this. So flattering. I thought that I had small boobs until I put this on and they were like, what? Can't really go wrong with a classic black swimsuit. Wait, what brand is this? Oh my god, they're all by this Tularosa brand. I got that from Revolve, but they're like so cute. The bottoms have this like little cool side detail that I don't really know how to explain, but it's a bit of fun until you get a tan in it and then you look a bit stupid, but it's fun for the day. We have a different brand from Revolve. This one's by the brand Super Down, this little green one. Very cute, very flattering. I will say I think I needed to size down. I didn't get my normal size, but like these pants slip down when I'm swimming at the beach. These are flattering. Normally when they're like string side pants, they don't have a lot of coverage at the back, but these ones do. do. I mean, for some people that might not be much coverage. For me, I'll take what I can get. That's okay for me. You're in the frame, Kane.
Alright, oh, sorry.
The start of my low-rise swim era was this swim right here. It's from Princess Polly. These are the bottoms. I remember that the first time I ever wore them was on Tim's birthday last year, and I felt so confident. They made the booty look really good. They're not too cheeky. From a distance, the color kind of makes me look naked. Love this shape also from Princess Polly. However, I don't think you can really see it on camera, but I may have washed this incorrectly, and the fabric has like dripped out, so it looks a little bit acid washy, tie-dye-y. This is like a traffic cone in real life, I swear. Another one of my favorite Australian swimwear brands is Leni Swims. I feel like these are kind of old styles though, so they might not have them, but I'll link the website anyway. They're like an ethical, sustainable brand. They make small batch swimwear, so definitely check them out. This sounds like a sponsorship. They did send me some of these. This is not a sponsorship. This is my favorite. It's super cute. It's reversible, so you can wear it on the plain brown side or wear it with a little cute pattern. You can also tie the top up a couple of different ways. You can wear it as like a boob tube tied up like this, or put it around your neck. Then we have probably some of my cheekiest swims ever. They're really good though if you're gonna be out in the sun for a while and you don't want to get lines all over your body. We have this little top, very cheeky but very cute, and then these pants. I love these. These are super flattering, high cut. And then last one from Leni Swims is this top with these like tie side bottoms. I really love these. I wear these bottoms all the time. With this top you can kind of like mix and match, but unfortunately I got this top in a size too small for me, so they don't really fit. I don't know. I'm like hoping that my boobs are gonna shrink so I can wear this, but that's probably not gonna happen. Guys, I need more one-piece swimsuits. They all look so good with like an outfit as the bodysuit. My friend Sarah, which is Salty Luxe on Instagram, she sent over this one from her brand. Super freaking cute. I'm gonna have every single swim linked down below, or at least the website. I also got a package from Billabong, and I got a little too excited and wore the swimsuit straight away, and I had like some tanning moisturizer on and I stained it with the tan drops, and now I can't get the stain out, but I still wear this. I just look a little dusty and crusty at the beach. These are the matching bottoms, and then they also sent over a different version of the top. This is the top. Yeah, haven't seen that one yet, so we'll see. TBC. You know what? Going to... Your head is just in the camera all the time. I'm not going to pretend that every single time I go to the beach I feel 100% confident, but when I don't, I always tend to gravitate towards this bikini. It's got a decent amount of booty coverage. It just makes me feel good. You guys probably saw this. I think I wore it. Did I wear it in my morning routine? Anyway, that video has trash views, so if you want to go go watch it. Everyone's like, what morning routine? Like, we didn't see that. This is by the brand Gnash Swim. Sustainable swim made in Australia. Very, very similar to the last swim I just showed you is this one. This is by the brand TJ Swim. It's a really similar cut, except the bottoms are just like way, way cheekier. I really like this on my confident days. Can we do a little compilation of Kane just poking his head in? You're in the... If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have seen these. I just did a collab with Moana times Nicklodeon. They did a little swim collab. This is so cute, but the thing is all of their swim is reversible, so like that is very satisfying to me. Going on vacation with reversible swim is life-changing. That just sounds like my goal in life. Look at this. This one's my favorite. And then on the inside, we got freaking Patrick. Like this on one side, and then we have a little SpongeBob mermaid on the other. Cheeky, but like in the best way. Like cheeky in a very flattering way. Swim by 7. I think it's a pretty small brand, but I've seen like Addison Rae wearing a swim from this brand. I love swimwear that I can actually swim at the beach when it's super wavy and like not feel like I'm gonna come up from the wave and have my top down and my boobs out. I really appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'm gonna have a new video super soon. Bye!